We're going to take a look at GarageBand for the iOS operating system. As you can see here at the top, apple.com/ios/GarageBand allows you to access the GarageBand application. It is free to download and comes standard on most Apple devices. Here you have a quick overview of the GarageBand application. You have play, record, and share options. There's a wide range of instruments and sounds, and you can do it right from your mobile device, iPad, or iPad Touch, any iOS operating system. Here's a great graphic of what the GarageBand system looks like. There's a full drum set you can access with your fingertips. There are full sound clips that you can do with the measures available. You can play music with or without an instrument, which I think is an excellent feature. As you can see, there are many different types of instruments here. There's a MIDI board, record players, keyboards and synthesias, lots of different effects that you can use to create loops and create things like transitions and different remixes and effects that allow you to be creative in your arrangements. One of the great things is that you can simply tap an instrument to play them. So if you click on an instrument or you tap on an instrument with your system, it plays that instrument for you, which is a really nice feature. You can layer different kinds of instruments, so you can build your beat, you can add your melody, you can add your harmonies and everything in there. And one of my favorite features about this app is that you can just plug your instrument straight into your device and you can play right away. You select amps, you select effects, and different kind of amplifiers that allow you to create sounds and effects that you may never experience otherwise. One way that you can use this in a classroom setting is with the sound library. It's a world of sounds, and it allows you to not only see and experience the different sounds from different areas and different genres or cultures and traditions, but it allows you to save these things because it's kind of like a recording studio. Students are able to make tracks. Students are able to use all kinds of instruments to become familiar with the sounds within the musical realm and associate that with the packs that are available, like with the sound library. They're ready to download, they're ready to be created, they're ready to share, and it's an excellent way for students to take hold of that creative side and delve into the art of music.